in a ghetto called Rose Heights. And while I was living in this first apartment, I had a bed that I bought from an Indian store down in Parade in Montego Bay, right? The bed bottom and the bed. I have one little Lasco fan where I always buy because I was moving around so much. I had a fan, right? I have the fan, but I always have the fan. I have one burner. I never have no fridge one time I live in that apartment. Then I never have no fridge at all. Right? I have my suitcase them because I never have no blood clot dresser. That was my first apartment. That is all that was in my first apartment. And just lotion and roll on for my arm and perfume. Them they all brought the house and keep my one bottle of perfume too. And keep my silver and them something. Right? I move out of this so now. I go better community, Westgate Hills. I still pay the same 25,000, but it's a studio because the other place was an apartment because it's one bedroom with living room, kitchen and everything. But them brought the place and something paranoid. Me not stay. When I'm paranoid that place, I can't stay, I can't sleep. So I move out. Anyways now, I live at Westgate Hills now, right? I live at Westgate Hills now in our studio. I'm living at the studio. I move my one bed. I end up get one burner stove. I get one little fridge. Down at the Indian man again. I buy one little dresser because remember say a suitcase me I live out a suitcase. I still never have no dresser until I just moving at the place. I buy one dresser. I go and I buy a dresser. And when I buy the dresser, I live in there because I remember in there small. I live in there. I have the dresser and thing. I move go somewhere else now. Still studio, same way. Still a studio, right? And this is how far me I come from. So one time my pussy go look at me and ask me what the blood clot me I do for one portion of 5 years. Me want you to know say within 3 years me can't want a blood clot portion. There's nothing no one can know and stop me from having. Because remember say me, uno bring down pan this and all that uno have to sell on the blood clot words them all the time. From years now I do it. You hear that? Anyways now, believe in another studio now. Me live there so. I not drive yet. I have no car. I not have no one at all. I end up, I buy one chester drawer. I have the dresser in them. I have the bed. I buy some fix up in the place. I still have a burner stove in there. So, right? Then, I move go somewhere else now. And this is where I move and buy more. So, because I live in a bigger place now. Right? You understand? Energy change from one question. Let me block you. I'm block you. Yeah. I live in a bigger place now. No, some of you vex because you don't want to hear my story, but you don't have to come here. And if this means something bad to you, me I say this for all of the people who don't believe in themselves. If I did do it, you could do it too. Some of you don't want to hear it because it burn on a dirty blood clot. Moderator, why are you blocking people that don't need to get blocked? That person where you block, you never need to block that person there. Anyways. I live right there, so me end up have the burner stove. I have the fridge. I have little something in there. I have issues there, so the landlord very unfair. The woman very unfair. I move out. I move to the other apartment, my last apartment. And when I move in there, so it was a bigger place. So now I live in there, so now I could get a chance to decorate the place or I want to and better the place or I want to. I went to courts and I buy myself a machine. I buy myself a new brand fridge. I give away the old fridge when I buy from the Indian man. Give it away to one of my neighbor. Them. I don't even know who have that fridge up to that day. I think I'm a little neighbor they have the fridge. Me buy one sofa is the same sofa in my house right now. I buy one bedded because remember this, me never did have no bedded. Coming up to about 2019, I didn't have a bedded. Me never have no bedded. I buy one bedded for about 38,000, right? And me did already get one chester drawer. I think when time I move in there, so now I get one chester drawer. I get a chester drawer, and then me install one AC. I do all of these things. So things take time, but don't tell me say I can't do it. Don't tell me say I can't. There's no so-called can. Remember say, no, me never did have the vehicle. That vehicle I have now, I just buy it after I move out from the when me got a place, me get the vehicle. You understand what I say? And I didn't know I would have ever owned that vehicle. To be honest, me never know I buy the vehicle cash. And when I buy the vehicle, I could even believe. Because me used to joke around and say me want Toyota Benz, because me call Mark X Toyota Benz, and then me go, I see me somebody car and buy car. You hear that? So you can't tell people say, them now go have this. And enough people wash them mouth for me, and right now some of them well want to come enough up in me, but them can't because oh, God set it. God make people destiny, you know, no people make people destiny, you know. No matter how you feel about people, you know, you can't deprive people from have things, you know. And you can't tell people say them can't own things and them something, you know, a whole heap of uno, including my dirty mama. Tell me say me not gonna be nothing at all. Tell me say I would be shit. Tell me say me workless and oh me I got this and me I got breed out and me forgot fuck man. And me forgot this and me forgot that. Right now me there I don't have a child. I am nobody's slave. Me is no man dirty foot washer. Me not for suck no man out for pay my bills them. You understand what I say? Me not for do none of that at all for feel comfortable. I am here today and every little thing when me want, me ever want to get out of the way. Things take time, but don't make nobody tell you say you can't do it because you gotta have them people who come and try to make you look like see your thing small, but your thing don't small. You understand? At time, them something take time. Everything take time. And everybody think different. Me never know say me would have achieved some things, but because I'm consistent and I believe in myself, I ever believe in myself some more, I would have way more things than me have now, but because sometimes, you know, circumstances, you may fall back. And it's okay, but you keep going on the same path. You know what I say? Don't ever lose your vision and lose encouragement in yourself or where I do. Always believe say you can do it. Always believe say you can win. Always believe say you can have things. I will own a Porsche within 5 years time and there is nothing none of you can do to stop it. I will have a house on the hill. I will get married and have kids. Me, I speak that upon my life right now. I will have all of those things. As a matter of fact, a 2 Porsche me I go buy. Me I go buy the car version and the van version. So a 2 of them me I go have. And one me I go have. Me I go have the car one for sport events. The van for work day to day. To go on my business place them. You understand what I say? So me I go have the van and me I go have the car. Yes. Yes. So I'm gonna own 2 Porsche within the space of 5 years. Yeah. Me not see the money now, but I'm going to see it in 5 years. I know that for a fact. Yes, I'm believing that I will own a Porsche. I'm believing that I will own a Porsche. I will have a Porsche in my name. My name. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man. I remember one morning, you know, I come out, like, my taxi will always pick me. I come out of my taxi. And when I come out of the taxi, a group of men was standing there. And I could remember the group of men, them stand up there and them a laugh. I say, a taxi ma take. You know, me a woman, you know. And the man, them a laugh off of me. And I say, if a taxi me I take. And I just hold up my head, going to the gas station. And I come out back, I buy, and I take my taxi and I go to my yard. And you know, yeah. But I was looking into that situation. There was a lot of evil people that used to bring me down too. Even some girl when me see used to bring me down and attack some things about me. Them end up I live worse than me right now. Worse. Like, there was people that used to even cuss me and tell me, say, cause, you see, me not pay certain things, I know about people. Me notice Jamaican people like cuss people and tell people what they not have from what they need for have and them something. There was a time when you have some set of woman where used to cuss other woman and say they don't have a bedroom set. I want people to understand that my first bedroom set was bought last year. So all these years, I never own a bedroom set. I buy my first bedroom set last year. Kemali Mat. I think I paid 700,000 or 800,000, somewhere about there for my bedroom set. I'm not sure because it's piece, them sell it by. And my first bedroom set was bought last year. Everything else was by piece. When me did have in the other apartment, they me give her everything. When me move in here, so I be a new furniture me carry in here, so. And me could I remember when me did have the bed and the bed now not bedded. And because I was always doing promo, sometimes company me used to get paid from Flat Tummy Tea. I don't know if you remember Flat Tummy Tea. Me used to do me look a picture of them. Me they still have website at them time. I remember some woman used to cuss me and bring me down and bully me and call me down and tell me, oh say, me no have no bedded. Some girl we used to go all about go sell out them crutches to buy bedroom set and suck much wood. Cause of that them do for one them bedroom set, you know, cause remember say them time the bedroom set at 700,000 and 600,000, you know, brother. So me could have it, we could afford to do it. What I did was I invested in doing my breasts. So me invested in doing my breasts before me buy a bedroom set, and somebody can call me stupid, but me didn't know the breast, so that make me way more money than a bedroom set. So me buy the breast before me buy a bedroom set. So when me do my breast the first time, me never have a bedroom set and me never have a bedded. But I didn't care because I know that the breast did gonna give me more money. Anyways, them cuss me and then tell me how me not bedded, right? Them tell me how me not a lie, I tell. I don't know what you're talking about. Anyways, them tell me how me not this, me not that. Cause at $600,000, I think I pay for do my bed, my breast. My breast would have come to like about $4,000 US, right? About $4,000 US I pay for do my breast. One time I do my breast, I think. In total, I probably spend about like nearly $6,000 or over $5,000 when me go do my breast. Anyways, now, them talk say me this, them talk say me that, them talk say me need to buy bed. Them when I tell them all iPhone, them cost me tell me say me not have. One at a time, all iPhone, somebody cost me and tell me say me not have because me not fussy about them so the item. My favorite phone to have is Samsung, right? So wait there, sorry there guys. Them cuss me and tell me say me nah no iPhone or a girl like me should I have iPhone and how me figure buy iPhone and them thing they are rate and me never did buy no iPhone. When I bought an iPhone was after my Samsung Note mashup. Me end up go buy one Samsung and one iPhone. I buy one iPhone 7. And when I buy the iPhone 7, my iPhone 7 they drop and mash up and I saw one girl I used to talk to. They end up buying me one iPhone 8. Every minute me and the girl cause the girl say one back in phone. Me end up sell the phone, the iPhone 8, as in give me it, me sell it because me I say me don't want me nobody a customer say they don't want back their phone and them so me just sell the phone and get one iPhone 10. Anyways now, me did it. Them cost me boy everything. Then tell me say me not have a car. Them tell me all sort of things. And I watch all of these things come in place. Every little thing where them cost me tell me say me not have. All visa them used to cost me and tell me say me not have. Them cost me and tell me. I watch every little thing I come in place because you see what some people don't understand is everybody timing is different. And sometimes too, them may do some things, you know, and achieve, you don't know where them do for achieve. So most of them they have them bedroom set, them still. Vanity people will always cost. I don't understand what you're saying. Hello? 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 Yes. Okay. Wednesday. I not drive or something, you know, so make me know when time me close to reach or something. I can't come out there and turn up. So I don't know. I don't know. I text him already and tell him still. So come. Yeah. Anyways, as me I say now, all of them have them bedroom set. Some of them they even have car because all me notice them used to worry about a phone, bedroom set, and all of these unnecessary things. I invested in a body before me invest in a furniture because I know that my body was gonna make me way more money more than the furniture. And people may judge me because of those choices, but I know where I'm going in life. No matter how you see me sit down here, so I have a plan for every year of my life. And every year I elevate. It's either I buy a new car, or I upgrade in my home, or I upgrade in my business venture. Then I always upgrade every year. So, you know, like, it's like everything where they did a worry about was so unnecessary. Because never did I really make them money, you know, because all of these bedroom sets where them did a run down for go buy. Well, you can't use a bedroom set for do, my lad. You can't use it for do nothing at all, no matter how it's nice. That's what me having this, so. Me can't use it for do nothing, you know. Me cannot use it for do nothing at all, but sleep in there. You understand? After a while, you don't even want them because you get tired of them, because me easily get tired of stuff, you know. Me not go want this in here, so. In a know me I live. In a my main room, next 2 years, me sure of that. Me go buy, me go upgrade to something more better. Me go higher than that. Me go to something better than that. You understand? Because I saw me stay. Same thing with this sofa. Sometimes I say, me there, me look at it, me say, me get tired of it. Furniture, it's like I get tired of them. So them, they sit there where they did a run down and a talk about. Right? Where them did a rundown and a talk about, it never really, after a while, all of them realize what really I get the money and